Pathfinder High Secondary Public School, first integrated school for IIT, NEET, KVPY in Eastern India.
Hello students, welcome to the Pathfinder family. In the today's video, we will talk about ISI exam 2022, that is Indian Statistical Institute exam 2022. This exam is very important for those candidates who are mathematics level. Yes, students. If you have a passion towards the subject maths, then this is a must-go exam for you. Now, let us talk about important dates related to this examination. The application form fill-up date has already been started and the date of form fill-up starting is 1st March 2022. You can fill the form till 5 April 2022. The examination date as mentioned in the website is 8 May 2022. Now we will talk about courses offered by ISI. Generally, ISI offer few courses about UG course and few about PG course. In this video, we will only talk about UG courses, that is undergraduate courses. So for them, ISI offers two types of courses, that is one is Bachelor in Statistics and one is Bachelor in Mathematics along with honors. So if you are in class 12 or class 12 pass out, you can appear for this exam for these two courses. The total number of seats in these courses is 55. 55 seats in Bachelor in Statistics course and 55 seats in BMath course. The BMath course is offered at ISI Bangalore campus and BStat course is offered at ISI Kolkata campus. Now let us talk about this, one of the most interesting part for the students. You will get 3,000 per month if you will study in this course. Yes student, you have heard it right. That means you are also getting money while you are studying and the amount is 3,000 rupees. So this is one of the most unique part or you can say unique feature for this course. Now let us talk about eligibility. Any student who is in class 12 or class 12 pass out along with mathematics and English combination can appear for this entrance exam. There is no percentage criteria in maths and English. So don't bother that said I got 70 marks, so will I be eligible or not? So it's not like that. There is nothing mentioned in the advertisement form. So please, you can be relaxed with that. Now, let us talk about examination pattern. You can see I have written here UGA and UGB. I'll explain this. In the exam, you get two papers. One paper is said UGA or you can say paper 1. In UGA, there will be 30 questions and in these 30 questions, there is no negative marking. All these 30 questions are of in a single correct type. That means out of 4 options, one option will be correct. And you will be getting 2 hours for this UGA paper. After you will complete UGA paper, then you will be given UGB paper and the duration for this exam is also 2 hours. And in UGB paper, that is you can say paper 2, there will be 8 questions and all these 8 questions are of subjective in nature. Subjective, that means you have to solve the questions step by step. Suppose if a student is not able to solve the whole question in the subjective part, there is nothing to worry about. If your step is correct, you will be getting step marking for this step. So, I will advise to all those aspirants who want to appear for ISI exam, please go through past year's paper, especially the subjective part, and you can additionally also solve a book called Test of Mathematics at Class 10 plus 2 level. So please go through that. So, thank you everybody for watching the video.